If you're looking to set up Descript for YouTube editing, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get started with Descript, one of the best video editing tools out there, and how it can streamline your YouTube workflow. Stick around because I'll share some insider tips that will save you time and boost the quality of your videos, especially if you're just getting started with this powerful software. First things first, head over to the Descript website, linked in the description below, where you can sign up for a completely free trial. This free trial gives you access to the basics of Descript and more, so you can dive in without any pressure. Once you're in, let's talk about the setup. When you first open Descript, you'll be prompted to create a new project. Choose Create New Project and give it a name. This is where you'll be working on your YouTube videos. Importing your video or audio is straightforward. You can either drag and drop or click the Import button to select the file from your computer. Descript's standout feature is its ability to transcribe your video into text automatically. This transcription feature is incredibly useful because it turns your video into a written script which you can easily edit. Now, after uploading your video, Descript will process it and transcribe the speech into text. It's typically pretty accurate, but you can always go in and make tweaks to ensure everything is perfect. One of the most efficient parts of using Descript for YouTube editing is how you can cut out mistakes or sections you don't want just by deleting the text. Yes, you heard that right. Deleting the text in your transcript will automatically delete the corresponding video or audio segment. This is an absolute game changer if you're looking to cut down on editing time. Next, let's talk about how to add and manage captions in Descript. Captions are key for YouTube videos, not just for accessibility, but also for SEO. Descript makes this process easy, as it can automatically generate captions based on the transcription. You can tweak these captions as needed, adjusting the timing and text to make sure everything syncs up properly. Now, one thing you may want to take advantage of is Descript's screen recording feature. If you plan on creating tutorial or reaction videos for YouTube, you can use Descript to record your screen. This feature integrates seamlessly into your editing workflow, saving you from having to use multiple tools. Plus, it can record both your webcam and screen at the same time, which is perfect for content like reaction videos or tutorials. Once you've got your basic edit down, you can also add transitions, music, and effects to your video. Descript's drag and drop interface makes it super easy to fine-tune your project and make it look more professional. One of the coolest features I highly recommend you explore is overdub. With overdub, you can literally type new audio and have it sound like your own voice. It's a time saver for minor corrections or additional dialogue, and it's a perfect tool for YouTube creators who want to avoid the hassle of re-recording entire sections. Before you wrap up your project, you can easily export your video by clicking the Export button. Descript offers several options for exporting, including different formats for YouTube. You can even export the transcript as a separate file, which is useful if you want to upload the text alongside your video. By now, you should have a basic understanding of how to set up Descript for YouTube editing. The power of Descript lies in its simplicity and the ability to work with text and video together. If you're new to video editing or just want to speed up your workflow, Descript is a fantastic choice. If you want to try it out for yourself, don't forget that you can access the software for free by clicking the link below. Plus, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial if you sign up through our link, which gives you even more time to explore Descript's features. So, if you're looking for an easy way to edit your YouTube videos quickly and professionally, give Descript a try today.